Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to contact chat support with Instawork. First thing I want you to do is launch the Instawork app. And then what I need you to do is actually here at the bottom navigation panel, click on your profile icon that you'll find at the bottom right. And once you click on this, you get redirected to this page. And from here, I want you to come here to the top right. You'll actually see this gear cog. Now this will take you to your settings. I want you to click on this. And then from here, you'll see different options. And to contact chat support with Instawork, all you need to do is click on this icon right here. You can see it says contact support, and then you can actually chat with them and explain any issue that you have. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to App Mentor.